In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's AI tools, Magic Write and Background Remover. These features can speed up your design process by helping you generate on-brand text in seconds and instantly remove busy backgrounds from photos, all inside Canva's editor. Start by opening Canva. On the home page, click Create a Design. You can choose a size like Instagram post, presentation, or any custom dimensions you need. This sets the canvas where your AI tools will live. Let's begin with Magic Write, Canva's text AI. In the editor, look for Magic Write in the toolbar or side panel, then click it. A prompt box will appear. Type a clear, specific prompt that tells the AI what you want. Include details like topic, audience, tone, and length. For example, write a friendly 2-sentence caption about a summer sale for a clothing brand. When you're ready, click Generate. In a moment, you'll see suggested copy. If the result isn't quite right, adjust your prompt with more guidance and generate again to refine the tone or level of detail. Apply the AI-generated text to your design by inserting it into a text box or replacing any placeholder copy. From there, you can format it just like any other text. Change fonts, colors, size, and alignment, and adjust spacing to fit your layout. Keep readability in mind. Short paragraphs and clear hierarchy make your design look polished. Use the AI text as a starting point and tweak it to match your brand voice and message. Now let's use Background Remover to clean up images. Click on an image in your design to select it. In the top menu, click Edit Image. From the editing options, choose Background Remover. Canva will analyze the photo and remove the background automatically. This works best when your subject is clearly separated from the background and well lit. After a moment, the subject should be isolated, so it sits cleanly on your canvas. This makes it easy to place the subject over color blocks, gradients, or other layouts without distractions. If the result looks off, try a higher contrast image or reposition the subject in your frame before removing the background again. And that's how you use Canva's AI features. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.